how to find your marriage age, and in the previous video we have discussed one rule that Darakaraka if placed in your Lagna chart and expecting 7th house and there is Dasha or Antardasha, either one of them is of Darakaraka, then the condition of marriage is arise. And this condition you have to check both D1 chart and D9 chart. If the condition existing both the D1 and D9 chart, the chances are quite high. So today we are going to discuss about the Mahadasha Lord, which we can say that in the simpler form MDL, Mahadasha Lord. So if Mahadasha Lord is placed with your Darakaraka, or is there any association in your D1 chart or in your D9 chart, then the Dasha of this Mahadasha Lord definitely arise the marriage age. So the condition is the rule number 2. What says? Please note down. Rule number 2 says that you first of all just find out the lowest degree of planet in your chart. The lowest degree of planet in your chart, that would be the Darakaraka. Please note that there are dozens of ways your Darakaraka can bring marriage into your life. So we are discussing step by step all the rules. And please note that this is one of the way by which you can predict about your marriage age and the timing. And you need to look all the combination which I am going to discuss with you, both D1 chart and the Namasha chart. The rule number 2 says that MDL association with your Darakaraka, and your Darakaraka can be any as per your calculation, as per your the lowest degree of planet in your chart. So the marriage can take place when the Mahadasha Lord is in association with Darakaraka. Suppose the Mahadasha Lord, we are taking an example, and suppose we are going to discuss the chart, let it be a Gemini ascendant chart. So the Mahadasha Lord, suppose in this case is Jupiter. Jupiter is the Mahadasha Lord, and the number is written in the Gemini ascendant chart like this: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 and 2. And Jupiter is the 7th house Lord, and Jupiter is associated with the Mahadasha Lord, with the Darakaraka. And if the Jupiter is associated with the Darakaraka when there is a Dasha and Mahadasha of Jupiter, then definitely there is a chances of the marriage age. So what I have said in earlier, marriage can take place when the Mahadasha Lord is conjunct your Darakaraka. Suppose here the 9th house Lord, you know that Jupiter, no problem, and we have identified that the lowest degree in this chart is of Mars, so Mars will be your Darakaraka. Suppose the Darakaraka is associated, the Darakaraka is placed, the Mars is placed in your 3rd house, in Sun house, and Sun is already placed here. Or suppose if Sun is not placed here, Sun is placed here and Sun is expecting your Darakaraka. And if there is a Dasha and Mahadasha of the Sun is running on, in that case we can say that there could be the chance for your marriage age. This is an indicator, and the marriage can take place in the Sun Mahadasha or Antardasha. This is just a simple rule. You just try in your chart and the chances of your age prediction can be predicted, but the condition is that the Mahadasha Lord and the Darakaraka Lord should be free from any malefic effects, and you need to check both this condition in your D1 chart and the D9 chart. That's all for the day. So before going, if you need any consultancy, you can download our Jyotishgher Veda app. Apart from that, you can visit www.jyotishgher.in and please subscribe the channel, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter and Quora, and you can be replied after 20 to 30 days one question if you share your Lagna chart, but you need to pay patience for that. Thank you so much for the day.